What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be doing a haircut on some textured hair. What I'm going to do first, section this off with my Paul Mitchell chopstick and just rubber band that top segment up and out of the way. So what I'm doing right here is I'm just working the shape from the outside in, just removing all that bulk with my clipper so that way I can get in there easier when I start to do my fade. I want to take this all the way down to the plastic, so I'm just removing that bulk. Right there I had my 1.5 guard on. Now I'm coming in even shorter with no guard on with my clipper all the way open. Taking it even shorter with my trimmer so that way the hairs can catch when I use my foil shaver. Now coming in with my foil shaver and taking it all the way down to the plastic. So now that it's taken all the way down to the plastic, I'm going to just go ahead and start my fade. I'm going to blend all the way up until I get to the top of that segment. I'm not going to go too in depth into my fade. I did that in one of my previous videos on my Instagram. So if you want to check that out, you can check that out. But basically, I'm just going to fade all the way up until my 1.5 guard, and then I'm going to cut the top. Now that I'm ready to cut the top, I'm going to pick everything out so there's no tangles in it. Just really throwing it out so that way it's easier for me to see the expanded shape and come in and do my clipper work. Now I'm going to start to work the shape, freehand clipper work, really focusing on that silhouette or that contour, trying to make everything look as clean and sharp as possible. So I finished the sides. Now I'm going to go into the top. I'm going to first create a step on the left side using my clippers, still freehanding it, and just making sure that I get a nice corner in there that'll really make the top pop. Now I'm going to move on to the right side. I'm going to make this side longer, but still keeping the top nice and flat. A little bit of finishing spray. This is a super clean extra from Paul Mitchell, using the can to really just pat the shape into place. And there's the end result. I hope you guys like it. Thank you for watching. I'm Fern the Barber. Take care. Be safe. Peace.